Hello friends, welcome back to Stockholics. We have started a new series of videos called Stocks Under Rupees 200. So in this series we are going to cover stocks which are fundamentally and technically strong and which can give 100% returns in 1 year, 100% returns in coming 1 year, and which can become multi-bagger, that is 3x, 5x or 10x in the coming 3 to 5 years. So this prediction is entirely based on the fundamental analysis done by Stockholics. So it is not an investment advice. Since the members of the Stockholics are not SEBI registered advisors, so we are not going to give any stock related advice, either buy or sell or to hold. So it is entirely based on fundamental analysis done by Stockholics. So it is not an investment advice. So in this video we are going to cover Nalco stock. So Nalco stock is one of the leader in aluminum production in India. So the products are different products that are being produced by Nalco are aluminum metal, that like ingots, alloy ingots, tea ingots, then alumina and hydrate like calcinated alumina hydrate, then roll product like aluminum roll product, aluminum checkered sheets. Then they are also into power production like thermal power production, cogeneration, wind power and solar power. So these are the typical traditional products produced by Nalco company. So they are also into some production of some specialized aluminum based products. So specialized products like they are into production of specialty aluminas and hydrates. They have a special grade alumina manufacturing division, so at Damanjodi district in Korapat, Odisha. So it has a state of the art technology for the production of special aluminum products, and also one of the main plant with 26,400 TPY capacity is under the advanced stage of implementation. So once this comes into production, so this is ready for production. So when Nalco announces that the main plant is commissioned for production, then at that time the share price of the Nalco may increase 5 to 10% in a week or in a day. So one more interesting feature of Nalco is that the company is working in major projects like fifth stream aluminum refinery. This plant will enhance the refinery capacity from 2.1 million ton to 3.1 million ton. So this is the significant increase in the production of aluminum. So in order to support aluminum refinery, so raw material security is also been developing at Pottangi bauxite mines, and the NALCO is also under the process of obtaining all clearances from the different departments like environmental clearance, forest clearance, then land clearance, etc. So it is also has Utkal D&D coal mines. So these coal mines started activity. So in addition to this, to acquire strategic mineral assets in overseas location, so NALCO has a joint venture with Khanij Videsh India Limited and HCL and MECL. So it is not only into the domestic manufacturing of the aluminum. It is also into a joint venture with Kabil in order to acquire strategic mineral assets in overseas locations. So briefly, this is the brief study of the Nalco company, its production and everything. Now we will look into the stock performance of the Nalco stock. So before we dive into the stock performance of the Nalco, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. On 26th April 2024, Nalco was trading at 188 rupees. So its daily lowest is 187.10 and highest is 192.20. So this day, that is on 26th April 2024, Nalco reached the 52-week high. Its total market cap is 34,693 crore. Coming to the price performance of the Nalco stock, so its 1 week returns is 2.202 percentage, 1 month returns is 24.36 percentage, 3 month returns is 33.88% percentage, and 1 year return is 129.25 percentage, and 3 year returns is to 226.25 returns. So already in 1 year it has given returns of 129.25 returns. So it is already doubled in 1 year. So In addition to this, in the coming 1 year, the stock may double from the present price. So the present stock price is 188 rupees. In the coming days, it may reach, in a coming 1 year, it may reach 400 rupees also. So coming to the revenue part of the company, there is a consistent increase, the decrease in the revenue. Then there is an increase in revenue from 2001. The net profit of the company is also fluctuating. So initially from 2019 to 2020 it is decreased, then it is consistently increasing, and in the year 2023 it is decreased. The same is reflected in earnings per share also. So initially it was 9 rupees, then it is in 2020 because of the lockdown it decreased, then it is increased consistently and it reached 16 rupees in the year 2022, and it reached decreased to 7.8 rupees in the year 2023. The same performance is also reflected in the return on equity. Initially, it is around 16.53, decreased to 1.36, then again increase, then decrease. So, in the year 2023, it is 10.92. So, the good thing about the company is it has reduced all its debts. In the year 2019, the debt to equity ratio is 0.01, whereas in the subsequent years, it is 0. So, debt to equity of the company is 0. It means it is a debt free company. Coming to the institutional holders of the stock, Nalco stock. So, mutual funds they have increased their holding, as foreign institutional investors they have decreased. Then, if we look into the big sharks which hold this stock under the portfolio, so they are as follows. The first one is President of India holds 51.28% of the stock, whereas the ICI Group it holds 3.25%. Then shareholding of this company is as follows: 51.28% it is held by promoters, that is Government of India. So that is nothing but President of India. So then 18.28 percentage is it is held by domestic institutional investors, 8.9% held by foreign institutional investors, and the remaining 20.93% it is held by public. So this is the shareholding pattern of the Nalco company. Since it has a good sales and good net profit and earnings per share, so it has every potential to become the multi-blagger. So it is already shown that it has doubled in 1 year. It has given 129% returns in the last 1 year. So at present it is trading at 188 rupees. So it may become, in next 1 year it may reach 400 rupees. So in the meanwhile, it is also commissioning few plants which increase the production of aluminum. So that will help in reaching 400 rupees. So this is the analysis done by. It is not an investment advice. So it is an analysis done by Stream Stockholic. So if you like this video, so if you want to know more about the stocks which are under and which are under 200 rupees, so please comment the stock name. So we will come up with fundamental analysis of the stock. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, happy investing.